Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to everyone. I am your instructor. My name is Noordina binti Amin. You can call me Dina or Dr. Dina. Okay. Now, welcome to BFR22503 Landscape Architecture. Okay. This is some background of me. I have PhD in that with HM, Master of Science in Landscape Architecture (SM), and also first degree in Housing, Building and Planning, or HBP, equivalent to Architecture Part 1 from SM as well. This is my contact details. Alright, today we will discuss about topic 1, which is Introduction to Landscape Architecture. This is the learning outcomes. At the end of this topic, learner is able to define terms of landscape architecture, landscape gardening, and landscape project. Describe the type and scale of landscape project. Understand the importance of landscape project. This is the definition of landscape. Landscape is defined as a picture representing a view of natural inland scenery and the art of depicting such scenery. A landscape comprises the visible features of an area of land, including physical elements such as landforms, living elements of flora and fauna, abstract elements such as lighting and weather conditions, and human elements, for instance, human activity or the built environment. Landscape can also mean the objects around you in a building. What is landscape architecture? Landscape architecture is the art of planning, designing, and managing public and private landscapes and gardens. Landscape architecture is also the development and decorative planting of gardens, yards, grounds, parks, and other planned green outdoor spaces. Landscape gardening is used to enhance nature and to create a natural setting for buildings, towns, and cities. It is one of the decorative arts and is allied to architecture, city planning, and horticulture. A landscape project basically involves planning, designing, managing, constructing, and some cases involving maintaining. Landscape projects include urban landscape, park and recreational, residential and institutional landscape, ecological landscape, conservation and preservation landscape, and also environmental landscape. There are a few types and scales of landscape project. The first is urban streetscape, urban street walk, reclamation and rehabilitation, for example, promenade or esplanade. Medium scale, for instance, institutional, industrial, commercial, residential, roadside gardens. For big scale project, for example, park and recreational. The importance of landscape architecture. Landscape architecture is about creating great cities, streets, parks, and public space. It inspires healthy living and well-being while protecting natural environments and people. Landscape architecture is about creating safe, sustainable, and resilient landscapes that evolve but endure over time. The importance of landscape architecture. Building healthy and vibrant communities. Protecting natural areas and the environment, and enhancing biodiversity. Addressing climate change. Managing the impact of climate change and using natural systems to reduce the global warming trend. Green infrastructure, including green streets and green roofs and active transportation. Contributing to the economy. If you have any question, you can email me at dina@uthm.edu.my. That's all for today. Thank you.